Hello and welcome to our fifth lesson in our drawing course. We are talking today about simplify and the drawing basic shapes and forms. When it comes to drawing, it is also helpful to start with basic shapes and forms as a way to simplify the subject and create a solid foundation for our more detailed work. The use of basic shapes such as circles, squares, or triangles or ovals can help you to break down complex subjects and understand more about the subject that you are going to draw. Once you establish the basic shapes, you can go into more details and you can add more features as you have a base. You can use this technique also when you start to sketch or make croquis, and you will develop the ability to visualize and interpret the world around the subject. So in our example, here is a circle. A circle can be turned out into an apple, and we shaded the apple. This is the termination line, and this is the shadow part, and this is the cast shadow, and this is the reflected shadow. And the apple, of course, it does not have a very sharp and precise lines. It's an imperfection. And we draw also the highlights in order to suggest the reflected light. This is the source of the light. You can have one source or two sources depending if you are drawing in plein air, or if you are drawing in workshop, you can have one or two sources of light. Yeah, you can use a square or a rectangle in order to draw a bottle. Here you see this is the plane where the bottle stands. This is the source of light. This is the projected shadow of the bottle, and I will let you continue the work. This is the neck of the bottle. This is the top of the bottle. If we, for example, let's use a triangle. What can we make out of a triangle? Very easily, we can make out a leaf. You can see the leaf here, and it is very natural to use a triangle as to design or to draw a leaf. Yeah. We can go further into our lesson, and we can make a drawing of a more complex form as a puppy. Here we have a puppy, yeah, and what we can draw a puppy from our live puppy, or if he can if you can convince the puppy to sit as you draw it, but you can make a photo, and of course you establish the source of light, and we use here a triangle and then a circle encircled in the triangles. The ears are triangles, the body of the puppy it's an oval, and the legs that are rectangles. Yeah, and the puppy of course sits here. And if we go further, we can make details. You can make details of the ears, which were triangles, and we can add the the mouth and the nose and the eyes, and we can detail the shape of the body. We can add a small tail, and of course we can make a fat puppy, or we can make a slim puppy, and we can enlarge the head. We can make a lot of things, and of course a lot of drawings. What I always what I'm always telling my students is that you can always erase your drawings. Yeah, erase them. Don't be afraid to erase them, because they are sketches, they are not yeah. And based on this, what remains out of the drawing, it can be a base for your future drawing, or a better drawing. You can always improve, you can always learn. You erased the drawing. Now we will use the graphite, because it's faster for our purpose. And we say, okay, the head is too small. We can make a bigger head, yeah. It should be like this, yeah. A bigger head for our puppy, and bigger ears, yeah. And the body will remain the same. That will be the eye area, and that will be our nose area, and this is the puppy mouth, and that will be a more realistic and up to projected shadow, yeah. You can make this, and finally you can work more and make a more detailed drawing as this one, yeah. And you can do a lot of details to your drawing, and make it more realistic. Use your fingers, use your mind, use your imagination, and be happy while you draw. So, for the next time, please use your imagination and draw an apple, draw, this is the highlight, yeah? You remember? The highlight, yes, you remember. So use the knowledge that you achieved through this course and draw an apple, draw a ball, and of course draw a puppy. This is your task for the next lesson. Thank you very much, and let's see each other in the next lesson.